Okay, here we have two each common ferns, 1 and 2. This is what they look like. This is the beginning of February. I'll put a date down here later. But anyway, this is what they look like. You can see the branches. They get kind of a little kind of crazy looking there. Anyway, what I was told is that before, or on, but we'll just say before Valentine's Day, you need to cut these back all the way to this ball that's on the inside of it. These are very similar, although you can tell they look slightly different. That one versus that one. Anyway, I want to say it's male and female. Don't know, not my area. But I'm going to trim these back today. And this is what they look like beforehand. And I'll show you afterwards how it looks. I haven't cleaned up any of this yard yet because this trimming process makes a bit of a mess and you end up bringing a rake out anyway. So all in one, no wasted effort. We'll be done shortly.